So I'm here to show you a new tool that I've got. It's made by Bluebird. It's what we call a core type aerator, and it is really good for your lawn. It's got these big spikes in the back that when the machine is moved forward, they sink into the ground and they pull a 3-inch plug right out of the ground. Now that's really good for your lawn. It softens up the ground and it lets the water, the fertilizer, and the air to get into the roots of the lawn, because sometimes the lawn gets like overgrown and it doesn't grow so well. So I just wanted to give you a quick little introduction to this, and then we're going to go over to one of my customers' house. They were gracious today to let me videotape them actually using this thing on their lawn. So let's go over to them. Thanks.
Just rented an aerator from Bob's Rental. Pretty easy to use. As you can see, it creates plugs in the yard to allow for air and soil to get in there and nutrients. Hopefully it works well.
As you can see, this makes pretty quick work of your job. It's capable of doing a ½ an acre per hour. So in a few hours, you could get your whole yard done. Give me a call at 518-674-3958, and thanks for watching.